Good morning guys, in front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and let me show you how to activate developer options. First of all, enroll list of all apps and go to settings. Then select system and enter about phone. Here click on software information and enroll more. Here you will notice build number, and now you have to tap on it 7 times. Then draw your unlock pattern, and as you can see, from now on you are a developer. So now developer options appeared right here. You can click to open and manage your device however you like. Just scroll through all the options, select those that you want to activate or personalize, and that's it. Whenever you want to switch developer panel off, just unmark the stop indicator. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.